Imagine a mountain so impossibly colossal, that to reach its peak, you'd have to climb Mount Everest 3 separate times. And you're not on Earth. Welcome to Olympus Mons. A singular structure the exact size of Arizona, piercing 16 miles into the Martian sky. On Earth, this massive weight would literally crush our tectonic plates and sink into the mantle. It shouldn't exist. So, how did a dead, freezing, rusted world build the single largest volcano in the solar system? To understand this anomaly, we have to look at Earth. Our crust is fractured into constantly moving tectonic plates. When a plate slides over a deep mantle hotspot, it creates a chain of smaller volcanoes, like the Hawaiian Islands, spreading the heat out over thousands of miles. But here is where things get strange. Mars doesn't play by our rules. And what you're about to see changes everything we thought we knew about planetary evolution. What I'm about to reveal next is the exact reason why thousands of space enthusiasts are joining us every single day. If you want to uncover the universe's most closely guarded secrets, hit that follow button right now. Stay with me here, because the history of this Martian behemoth is about to get completely wild. Let's rewind. In 1971, NASA's Mariner 9 probe arrived at Mars during a massive global dust storm. As the dust slowly settled, an eerie dark spot emerged high above the clouds. Scientists were stunned. They thought they were looking at a floating atmospheric glitch. But as the air cleared, the truth hit them. They were staring at a single volcanic peak poking through the upper atmosphere. So, what's the secret behind its monstrous size? The leading theory is a cosmic perfect storm, zero-plate tectonics and low gravity. Unlike Earth, the Martian crust is locked perfectly in place. Imagine holding a blowtorch perfectly still under a metal sheet for 3 billion years. Lava just kept piling up in one exact spot. Add in Mars' lower gravity, just 38% of Earth's, and the magma stacked higher and higher without collapsing. Mystery solved, right? But here's where it gets crazy. Just when scientists thought Olympus Mons was a dead, ancient relic, high-resolution imagery from the European Space Agency detected fresh lava flows on its slopes. Some of these are just a couple of million years old, an absolute blink of an eye in cosmic time. This means the monster might not be dead at all. It could just be sleeping. I genuinely want to know what you think about this. If Olympus Mons is dormant and not extinct, could a future eruption completely alter the Martian climate? Do you think the heat from this slumbering giant is keeping underground reservoirs of liquid water warm enough to support microbial alien life right now? Or is it just a frozen tomb? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. I read every single one, and this exact debate is heavily dividing planetary geologists as we speak. This isn't just about rocks. This affects how we see our place in the universe. If Olympus Mons is still active, it provides the holy grail for future human colonies, limitless geothermal energy and liquid water. The heat radiating from deep within the Martian mantle could be melting subsurface ice, creating hidden, pressurized aquifers. We are talking about vast underground lakes shielded from deadly solar radiation. If life ever existed on Mars, or still does, the deep caverns of this colossal volcano are the most logical places it would be hiding. Finding it would trigger the greatest scientific revolution in human history. Fortunately, we won't be in the dark for much longer. Scientists around the world are now pointing next-generation instruments toward this massive geological bulge. With the upcoming launches of advanced ground-penetrating radar orbiters, we are on the verge of peering directly beneath the Martian crust. Future rovers are being conceptualized right now, designed specifically to scale the gentle slopes of these giants. By the end of this decade, we'll understand if the largest volcano in the solar system still has a beating heart. We are literally watching the rebirth of a planet's geological history, proving that nature's limits are far beyond our earthly imagination. But Olympus Mons isn't the only impossibility lurking in our solar system. What if I told you there's a canyon on Mars so deep it makes the Grand Canyon look like a scratch in the dirt? Or a moon around Jupiter that shoots geysers of salt water directly into space? We're covering all of those deep space secrets in our upcoming videos. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. Remember, every time you look up at that red dot in the night sky, you're looking at a world that holds mountains larger than continents and mysteries deeper than oceans. The universe is full of secrets, and we're just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.